Today I am reviewing this light bulb from Neporal, but it's not just any light bulb. It is a rechargeable backup light bulb, and it's really interesting. So you screw this into your normal light bulb, it's just a normal fitting wherever it would be, and it's going to recharge the battery inside of here by the electricity going into it. Just normal. There's no plug or anything like that. And when your power goes out, it will light back up. So this is great if you have power outages, but it has more uses than that. First off, you can just touch the contact and it'll go. They also come with these hooks, so you can use them for an emergency situation. See, like this, and it has a little switch right here. So you can have a light anywhere, such as camping, etc. And also, for power outages, you're not gonna have to bring in some other light, some candle. This will just go in wherever your existing light is or lamp. You just have this in there normally, and there's gonna be no interruption in your light source if your power goes out. So this is really cool and unique. Let's check it out. So another unique thing is if you have a lamp, you can use this. They include this little clip. So basically it just needs a completed circuit. So if I put this clip on, you can tell it is not plugged in. And I hit the switch, it lights up. How cool is that? You can also, they do say if your power does go out, to turn off the breaker for that circuit that you are using if it's plugged into a normal light. But overall, cool product. And very useful with our insecure power we have these days, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.